So first, you want to boil the ingredients for the salsa. And I have 5 tomatillos. I had 6, but one of them went bad. I have a couple peppers, serrano peppers, and I have about 4 garlic cloves. This is a small amount of salsa that I'm making. I'm making it in a molcajete, so that's why it's such a small amount. If I was blending it in a blender, I'll probably have like 8 tomatillos and double the peppers. But yeah, I'll show you guys a little later why I'm making a small amount. Other than that, you just start squishing them together, smushing them together, and then little by little you have salsa. Sometimes I put like a squish of lemon in there, some cilantro, and you said salt, pepper, garlic. Garlic's already in there, and then yeah, well, there you go, guys. Here is my salsa verde. I just added some of that. A little bit of that. So when the oil got hot enough, I just added the salsa that I mixed in my molcajete, and here it is. And it's still a little left, but as you can see, the garlic got infused into the rest of the salsa. So there you go. I'm gonna boil it a little bit. That way it can dehydrate some of the water out of there, or evaporate some of the water out of there. You see big chunks of chili still, but you could always mix it back in there again when it's nice and hot, and then it'll come right out. But there you go. Salsa verde is really that simple to make. It took me about 10 minutes to make, and if I can do it, you can do it. Let me know if you have any questions. If you have anything specific you want me to make next, let me know. Thank you for watching. There it is. I just threw it back in the molcajete, ready to serve. Some people like the salsa hot, some people like it cold. Room temperature, I like it right off the skillet, off the burner, nice and hot.